Hi there, Nicholas Campion here from First Formations, and welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Thursday, where we provide advice on a wide range of business and company matters. If you enjoy this video and find it useful, please give us a like and share it with your friends and colleagues. But for now, let's get started. Today I want to discuss how to obtain a certificate of incorporation. Now, in the first instance, you will get a certificate of incorporation when your limited company is successfully registered at Companies House. It will verify the existence of your company and certify that it has been legally registered at Companies House under the Companies Act 2006. Your certificate of incorporation will be delivered to you in digital and/or paper format, depending on the way in which you choose to set up your limited company. If you use the services of an online company formation agent, you will receive a digital PDF copy of your certificate via email. Your agent will send this to you as soon as Companies House approves your application, which usually takes around 3 to 6 working hours. You may also receive a hard copy by post if your formation package includes this. Alternatively, if you directly incorporate through Companies House, the registrar will send you a digital certificate by email if you register online, or a paper certificate by post if you register using a paper application. Digital certificates are received shortly after incorporation, usually around 24 to 48 hours, whereas postal applications take at least 8 to 10 working days to process. So you'll receive a hard copy of your certificate at your registered office address a few working days after incorporation, but it may take longer. Next, let's consider what to do if you have lost your original certificate of incorporation. Well, the good news is there are a number of ways to obtain another copy. The first way is online via Companies House Service. Companies House Service provides a free online access to company details and filings. Simply enter your company name into the search box, select your company, go to Filing History, open the filing that says Incorporation, click PDF, and you'll be able to view and download the scanned copy of your certificate. Secondly, you can obtain your copy from your company formation agent. If you used an agent to form your company, you will almost certainly be able to obtain a replacement, digital or paper copy of your certificate. At First Formations, customers can access their company details and filings on our free online company manager. This facility will allow you to download a digital copy of your certificate of incorporation free of charge. On the company dashboard, select My Companies, click View beside the relevant company, then select on Documents to download the certificate. You can also purchase a paper copy of the certificate at a cost of just £10 from our online shop. And lastly, you can order a replacement certified paper certificate of incorporation directly from Companies House by calling their contact centre on 0303 1234 or visiting one of their information centres. The cost for this is £15 for the standard service and £50 for the same day service. It's also worth mentioning that digital copies via email are also available. Alternatively, there is of course the option to keep your certificate of incorporation in a safe place and not to lose it. As your certificate is an incredibly important document, it should be kept safe with your company registers and records at the registered office or the sale address, as it may be required if your company's statutory registers are ever inspected. It is also a good idea to keep digital copies for emailing to banks, lenders, investors, clients, suppliers, and any other business associates who may require viewing your company's certificate of incorporation. Now let's look at when you will need to use your certificate of incorporation. The certificate contains many useful details about your company, including your company registration number or CRN and date of incorporation, so you may need to refer to it on a number of occasions. You may also need to provide your certificate in the following sorts of circumstances: opening a business bank account, applying for a business loan, buying or leasing property within your company's name, applying for business grants, licenses and permits, opening accounts with suppliers and service providers, seeking investment from third parties, so for example, bringing on new shareholders, and of course, restructuring or selling your company. So there you have it. Today we have covered how to obtain a certificate of incorporation, what to do if you lose your original document, where it should be stored, and when you may need to use it. If you have any questions about what we have covered here today, please ask in the comments section below, and we will be sure to get straight back to you. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more advice on limited companies, reporting requirements, and tax obligations. We're always happy to hear from you, and we can't wait to help. Until next time, cheerio.